Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's SEO for local business video, I want to discuss the importance of rich snippets and how you too can get a rich snippet from a very powerful website when someone searches your name. Now, before we go ahead and get into that, for some people that may not know, a rich snippet is a term used to describe structured data markup that a web owner can actually add to their web page, and this allows search engines to better understand information contained on a page. Now, Google will actually take and extract the information and put it at the very top. As you can see here, this is a featured snippet. It is a box at the top of a search result. Now, these are very important. These types of featured snippets really stand out to a potential customer for your business, as you may know. Now, there is a particular website, a very powerful business website, that will almost 9 times out of 10 give you a featured snippet when someone searches your name. So I want to show you an optimization tip that will help you get this featured snippet for your business as well. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, I urge you to get a LinkedIn account because one, this is a way to communicate with other businesses and potentially earn some new customers. And for this particular tip, this local business SEO tip today, I'm going to show you an optimization so you can implement it so when someone searches your name, you too can get a featured snippet box just like the one showed here on the page. So if you do not have a LinkedIn, again, I urge you to please go ahead and sign up. It will benefit you in more ways than just this one tip for today. But there's a particular section, and I want you to go ahead and take a look here. If you go to your main page, let's say you have your main page, there is a particular section that needs to be optimized that is called the About page. Okay. Now, I'm not going to get into that. There are some ways to get do follow backlinks, which are down here. As you can see here, these would be considered do follows within, but I want to show you a different tip. If you see this part that says about, okay, where it says about Christopher S. Palmer is an SEO, whatever the case may be, this particular piece is the most powerful because when a person searches your name, who is this particular business? 9 times out of 10, Google is going to take the most powerful site, take that data, and serve it to the potential customer. Now, I actually went ahead and pulled up a search here. Who is Chris Palmer Marketing? That's me. I'm Chris Palmer. As you can see here, I have earned a feature snippet. And who did it come from? It came directly from LinkedIn, exactly from our About section. Christopher S. Palmer, as you can see here, I did a search, who is this business? And it is pulling the data from LinkedIn. So I wanted to go ahead and share this tip with you. If you do not have a LinkedIn account and you want to be able to be contacted by other businesses and you would like to also see a featured snippet, I'm glad that I could share this local SEO business tip with you today. If you haven't already, please subscribe. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next local SEO, business, affiliate marketing, pretty much anything marketing related business video. Have a wonderful day.